Everybody tells me there's so many solutions out there when it comes to digital marketing. There are so many social media channels, there are so many things you can do with email and SEO and all these advertising channels, and it's super confusing. Not only that, everybody has an opinion when it comes to digital marketing, and that's the big issue. One of the things I want to do, and we always do, is I want to keep digital marketing very simple. I want you to just remember two principles if you want to succeed with digital marketing, and here they are. Number one, drive the right traffic to your websites. Yes, not any traffic, but the right traffic. Who are your ideal customers? Think about it. Who are these people who will give you the top dollar, who really values your services? Who are the people you love working with? Think about them and drive that traffic to your websites. Number two, once you've driven the right traffic, convert that traffic into leads and into sales. So you might say, Dinesh, I know the two principles, you have just shared that with me. Now, how do I put that into action? Look, it's not so difficult. Book a digital strategy advisory with one of our consultants. If you are in New South Wales, it is even fully funded by the New South Wales government. It is absolutely worthwhile. Sit down with one of our experts and they'll help you to customize and tailor a digital strategy for your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and also leave a comment and tell us what more you would like to learn. Now, don't forget to click the subscribe button because this is all about small business digital strategy and innovation. I look forward to seeing you again.